these two tiny seeds could help your bowel move the way it was designed to, not by irritating your intestines, not by causing diarrhea, but by working with your digestive system instead of against it. Stay with me because today's video might completely change the way you think about constipation. Completely change the way you think about constipation. Before we begin, I want to make one thing very clear. I have been relying on laxatives every few days. If you have tried herbal teas, coffee, warm water, olive oil, or every colon cleanse you found online and nothing seems to work, you are not alone. Millions of people suffer from chronic constipation. Some people go 3, 4, even 7 days without a bowel movement. Others do go every day, but still feel like something is left behind. That feeling of incomplete emptying, the bloating, the hard stool, the excessive straining, the abdominal discomfort, these aren't just annoying symptoms, they affect your sleep, your mood, your energy, your appetite, and even your quality of life. Here is where many people make a huge mistake. They believe constipation happens because food is stuck. That's only part of the story. Your digestive system isn't a simple pipe, it's a living ecosystem. Your intestines constantly absorb water, move muscles with synergy and rhythmically, feed trillions of beneficial bacteria, and package waste into stool. When any part of this system slow down, constipation begin. Okay, now here is something that surprises many people. Constipation doesn't always happen because you are not eating enough food. Sometimes, if it happens because you are not eating enough fiber, yes, or you are eating fiber without enough water intake, or your gut bacteria aren't healthy enough to process that fiber. All three matter. And this is exactly where today's recipe becomes interesting. Today, we are going to talk about a simple drink made with one tablespoon of chia seeds. Here, let me make it clear for you. Let me open this flash. Okay, here is my chia seeds. I guess all of you know this chia seeds and the benefit of it. Okay, we are going to take 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and, oops, okay, let's go to the another seed, the magical seeds here today. 1 tablespoon of grounded flax seeds. I know this is not grounded one. I grounded some for my drink before this video. So I want you to see the shape of the flax seeds. Okay, we're going to take only 1 tablespoon of grounded flax seeds, not the whole one. Okay, we have to ground it before using it. Okay, 1 liter of water. Okay, normal water. Fresh lemon slices sounds incredibly simple. But inside those tiny seeds are compounds that have been studied for years, not only like today. Let me give some, let's take it out. Inside those tiny seeds are compounds that have been studied for years, not as miracle cures, but as natural tools that may support healthier bowel movements. Before I explain why, let's answer an important question. What actually happens inside your body when you become constipated? Because once you understand that, you will understand why chia and flax work that way together. Okay, imagine food entering your stomach. Okay, here, let's imagine together the food inside your stomach. Okay, it reaches your small intestine after digestion. Most nutrients are absorbed there. Whatever remains then enters the large intestine. After that, known as this part is known as colon, okay, in the large intestine, who takes the remains, enters your body, called the colon. So now the colon has one major job. It removes water from the waste. The longer stool stays inside the colon, the more water gets absorbed. So the more water that's removed, the harder the stool becomes. Is it clear? I guess it's very simple to understand it. When the stool stay longer inside your colon, the colon is making his job as absorbing a lot of water from this waste. So the stool becomes harder and harder. Eventually, that stool can become very dry, hard, and difficult to pass out of your rectum. So, this is why waiting too long to use the bathroom often makes constipation worse. But stool isn't supposed to move through your intestine by the gravity alone. Your colon has muscles. This muscles is called this muscles is called the movement of this muscle is called peristalsis movement. This peristaltic movement, these muscles contract in rhythmic waves called peristalsis. Think of them as gentle waves pushing stool forward. When these contractions slow down, everything slows down together and constipation begins. So, the real question here becomes, how do we help the colon works naturally? And instead of forcing it with stimulant like as laxatives, that's exactly where chia seeds enter the picture. So let's ask why chia and flax seeds can help constipation. How can two tiny seeds make such a big difference? The answer starts with one word: fiber. Yes, fiber, but not just any fiber. There are two different types of fiber, and your digestive system needs both together. One is called soluble fiber, which means it's soluble in water, and the other one is insoluble fiber. Okay, chia and flax seeds contain both of it, which is one of the reasons they are so interesting. Let's start with soluble fiber. The moment chia seeds come into contact with water, something amazing happens.